Hi, welcome to Sask Moto. Today, in this exciting video, I get to open up my new suspension for the BMW G310GS. And this product came all the way from the UK. And the company it came from is called Rally Raid. And what it is a level 2 suspension kit for the baby G. So let's see what's in it. So here's the first thing that's in it. It's basically a support card from Rally Raid. And it gives you some information where you can write down your settings on it. So that's pretty cool. And I wanted to say that one of the concerns I had was from ordering from the UK into the United States would be a charge for import or customs and things like that. But I was pleasantly surprised it was not part of that. And so got some cool Rally Raid stickers, and here's the invoice for it. And that's a cool package. So this is the box that it comes in, and I'll open it up for you guys to see what comes with it. Here's the new spring that goes in the front shock. Let's see here. Owner's manual. Tool some sort. Oh, this is the wrench to take off the caps. Oh, this is the kit for the forks. Spacers. Oh, and this rear shock. You can see it was nicely packaged. And I'm really excited about this one shock. And this is what it looks like. And I ordered the optional piece where you can adjust it manually with the twist of that. So that's what the shock looks like. Pretty nice looking. High speed, low speed compression settings. So I'm excited about that. These are the caps for the top of the forks. So one side. This is a preload adjustment for that, so you can see that. Looks like really well manufactured items. They give you the spanner wrenches for it to adjust things. And this is for the left shock. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. So I'm not going to open up any of this right now, but there's some spacers with it, as well as some other things, some other parts. So there it is, everything that comes in the package. I'm really excited to get working on this and get this put on, and there'll be a video on how I do the install on that as well. So with that, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll talk to you soon. As always, thanks for watching.